Hey everyone, welcome back to the Technology Trends. Today we're diving into the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Edge, which is shaping up to be Samsung's slimmest and most powerful flagship yet. From a massive 200 megapixels camera to 65W fast charging, this phone is packed with features you don't want to miss. Let's get into it. Samsung has refined the curved edge design with ultra-slim bezels and a thickness of just 7.1mm, making it one of the thinnest Galaxy flagships ever. Sleek curved AMOLED display, glass back with polished aluminum sides. In-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, IP68 water and dust resistance. It feels incredibly lightweight and premium, a true 2025 flagship aesthetic. The front is dominated by a gorgeous 6.8-inch QHD plus dynamic AMOLED 2X panel. 1 to 144 Hz variable refresh rate. Peak brightness, 3000 nits. Vision Booster 2.0 for outdoor visibility. HDR10 plus support for content consumption. Whether you're gaming, scrolling, or watching Netflix, this display is next level. Samsung is going all in on imaging this year. The S26 Edge packs a 200 megapixels ISO CELL-HP3 sensor, delivering insane detail and clarity. 200MP main sensor with improved nightography, 50 megapixels ultra-wide. 12MP 5x periscope telephoto. AI-powered image optimization. 8K video at 30 FPS plus Super HDR. Selfies? You're getting a 40 megapixels front camera with AI face enhancement, perfect for creators. Powering the S26 Edge is the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, paired with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. Android 15 with One UI 7.0. Vapor chamber cooling for gaming. Integrated Galaxy AI for voice, translation, camera suggestions. Smooth, fast, and smart, it's ready for anything. Samsung finally listened. The S26 Edge comes with 65W wired fast charging, 35W wireless, and reverse wireless support. 5000 mAh battery. 0 to 50% in under 18 minutes. New battery health management features. More power, less waiting. The Galaxy S26 Edge is expected to launch globally in February 2026, with a starting price around $999 USD for the base model. Expect multiple color options, including a new matte titanium finish. With a slim profile, powerful camera, lightning-fast charging, and eye-enhanced features, the S26 Edge might just be Samsung's most balanced flagship yet. Are you excited about the curved edge comeback? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.